All right, so this is how to run SEFI frequencies when you have aches and pains or something going on and you want to run frequencies for that. So first we're going to go down to SEFI here, okay? And then you're going to run through the different selections. So you have reach, and you can go through and hit scan and see what comes up if you're dealing with something. Okay, so today for me, example, it's saying immune support, and then you can go in and select either 2 minutes, or you can go in and select the time that works better. I muscle test and then just figure out what it wants, and then I hit time broadcast. Okay, so then, we keep kind of going through and seeing, I muscle test each of these to see what would be needed for example headache. Affirmations, again, you can scan. You can also go through the list manually and select exactly the one that works for you. Okay, so this one's saying insomnia. Again, select the time that you want and hit time broadcast. And again, you can go in, you can hit scan and have the frequencies pull in specifically what it's seeing is out of balance and do it that way. Or you can go in and actually select something that you're dealing with and run it for that as well. Okay. And then when we get over here, okay, there's essential oils. So if you know your essential oils, you can go in and select them. Again, you can hit scan as well to see what the ultimate lineup is for essential oils, and then hit imprint. And you can also change the wave type. A lot of times sine is the most powerful one, so you can select sine. Sawtooth is also very strong, so you could select sawtooth. It just depends on preference. Okay, so then when you have a headache, you can go into this list. This one isn't a scan one specifically, but you can go in and find headache, for example. Oh, I went too fast. Select headache, and then go in and run for the allotted time that you want, and then hit time broadcast. All right, so that's kind of a quick lowdown of all the things. You can, here's one other thing. So homeopathics, you can go in and select the actual homeopathic if you're familiar with them, or you can select the cell salts that you might need or the no-sodes, or you can just simply go in and select symptom, and you can do a drop down, or you can actually type it in here. And let's do headaches. And scan. And that headache was for barometric change, but the other one is for actual pressure in a specific side of the head. And if one comes up, you can just hit run that time. Otherwise, if there's multiple homeopathics that come up, hit simultaneous and they'll all run collectively. Again, then just hit the time that you want and let that go. And then here's minerals. So you can go and run electrolytes, micro minerals, minerals. You can hit scan and see what your body needs. And then again, you can select the wave type, sine, square, sawtooth, triangle, and then hit imprint. Again, go back and select the time that you want. All right. And then finally, inner homeogenics. This one is where you can go in and find, anti-stress support and adrenal thyroid and a whole bunch of different detoxes. So, being able to go in here and select all these different detoxes is amazing. Pesticide detox, metal detox, radiation detox, vaccine detox, virus detox. So if stuff's bugging you, run these and you'll see some big shifts. All right. Thank you.